English Learning Conversations, Episode 2.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Today. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. We're excited to kick off our new series, English Learning Conversations. In this series, we'll present dialogues to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Today's episode features a conversation between two friends catching up after a long time. Let's listen in.
Hi, it's been ages. How have you been?
Hey, I know, right? I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic. By the way, have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Not yet. I've heard good things about it. Want to check it out this weekend?
Sounds like a plan. Let's meet on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect. See you then.
Now let's break down some key phrases from this conversation.
First, it's been ages is an informal way to say you haven't seen someone in a long time.
Hectic describes something very busy or chaotic, like a hectic work schedule.
By the way, is used to introduce a new topic or add information in a conversation.
These phrases are commonly used in daily English conversations. Try incorporating them into your interactions.
That's it for today's episode of English Learning Conversations. We hope you found it helpful.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talk English Today for more engaging lessons.
See you next time. Keep practicing and take care.
Goodbye for now.